Hi, how are you? Today I am coming on here to tell you guys that I have a collaboration with MAC Cosmetics. I have teamed up with them to put together a box of products that I have picked out and that I love, and I also have my photograph on the front. I've been sitting on this for a while. I think we shot this photo in January, and obviously we had to push back the original June launch date because of COVID, but now we're doing it, and I believe it comes out in stores on the 24th, which is my birthday. So that would be really fun. For my birthday present, would you please buy this box? Okay, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. So there's 6 products. It is $69 and it's worth $142. It also comes with this little makeup bag. I love that it's see-through and that you can see what's actually in your bag. I hate like digging through bags. I'm so bad with that. So let's go through everything together. Okay, first of all, we have 2 eyeshadows. This is the first one. This is called Saddle. This is a matte shadow. It's a beautiful bronzy shade. It's super versatile. All of these products work really well on different skin tones and skin colors. That was something that was really important to me. I wanted to make sure that a lot of different people could wear this, that it wasn't just geared towards people that look exactly like me. Both of these eyeshadows are such good basics, but this one is such a good everyday shadow. It's kind of like wearing your bronzer on your eyelids, but a little bit better. I also have a kind of 90s look where I use this that kind of has a wash of color. It's really easy. It actually looks like it took a lot more time than it did. So that's the first eyeshadow. The second one is Mulch, and this is a gorgeous velvet eyeshadow. It is a really beautiful warm brown and it has like a shot of gold shimmer through it. It is the perfect eyeshadow for doing any kind of smoky eye. All you need is this eyeshadow, maybe an eyeliner and mascara, and you're done. You don't need anything else. I actually have a smoky eye tutorial from like 3 years ago. I think it's 3 years ago, where I use this shadow. It's just really cool that I'm coming out with a box now with MAC and I can include this shadow. I've been using it, I think, since I was a teenager. Okay, next for eyes, got this Eye Kohl eyeliner in Costa Riche. It's a really beautiful brown. Again, works well on all eye colors. It is super easy to use. You can kind of like smear it on everywhere and then blend it out with a brush and use it as eyeshadow. So you kind of almost have 3 shadows in this kit. And then obviously as an eyeliner as well. I feel like this kit is perfect for anyone who's like, I don't really know what I need in my kit. I kind of like am overwhelmed by all the products out there. It's just a lot. I promise you, you will use every single product and that'll work really well with you. By the way, if you guys get it and you have any questions or feedback, I would love to know. I will have the link for it down below for my MAC box. My MAC box. What? Then we've got a mascara. This is the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. This is awesome. I'll just show you what the brush looks like. I actually normally don't like brushes that aren't like the brush that are silicone, but this one is really good. I especially like it for my bottom lashes. I love how black this is as well. Okay, and then for lips, this is the Strip Down Lip Pencil. This is a great brownie nude. Works well, again, on all skin tones. It's a really good kind of like 90s, but also really modern color. You can wear it as lip liner. You can wear it just as a lip color by itself. It's really creamy, so it's easy to just use as a lip color. In the 90s inspired monochrome look that I do later on in this video, I just use this as lipstick, so you can check that out to see how I do that. And then lastly, we've got this nude lipstick, which is actually a new find for me. This is the Cherish Satin Lipstick. This is what it looks like. It is honestly the perfect nude. I can't believe that I hadn't found this before now. It's not too brown, not too peach, not too pink, not too light. It works again really well in all skin tones. All the girls at MAC were like, I totally forgot about Cherish. Like, I love it so much. So I'm excited for you guys to try this color. I feel like it's such a good nude and it's one that people always forget about. So yeah, that's what's in my box. And again, it comes with this little bag as well. I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited and I feel so fortunate to be able to work with MAC. They're such an amazing Canadian company and I can't believe this is happening. This is by far the coolest opportunity I've had in my career and I'm just so excited. You know, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys 4 looks that you can do with this box. So 4 looks with 6 products. So the first one is just really simple, everyday, really fast makeup. The second one is very 90s inspired, monochromatic. The third one is kind of like a winged eye. Using the liner, it's really beautiful. And then the fourth one is this super smoky, sexy eye that's pretty intense, but that will look amazing, especially with a mask, because you really want your eyes to stand out. Really good for a date at a safe distance, you know? I will be sharing a few behind the scenes videos from the shoot that we did in January. So make sure to check out my Instagram at the August Diaries for more on that. So this box is exclusively available at Hudson's Bay. It's available online and in store. I will leave all the information in the description box. This is only available for a limited time. So yeah, I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I really love these products, so I'm really excited. And I know you guys know this anyway, but I just don't really do collaborations that I don't love. I feel like every influencer says that. So at some point you just kind of have to figure out whether or not you trust that person. But I kind of am fortunate enough in my career right now to make that distinction. And so I feel really lucky and happy. I have all of my jewelry linked in the description box as well. I usually get questions like on my earrings or my necklaces. Let's jump into it. Here we go. I've already started filming this video someplace else, but I just wanted to get the perfect lighting and background, and now I'm in my head about it. This video is just really, really important to me, so I put my pampas grass in my bathroom, and this is what we're going with. I'm using the MAC Face and Body Foundation in N3. I already have a little bit on. I'm just gonna put a bit more on my chin and my forehead. By the way, the foundation is not part of my kit. Okay, then I'm gonna do some bronzer. Then I'm gonna go in with the first shadow from my kit. This is the matte shadow in Saddle. And this is basically like the perfect base slash neutral for eyeshadow. Like, this is kind of bronzer but better on your eyelid, but this is kind of like a better version of that. So put a little bit of that on. So this look is just like the most basic everyday look, super simple, and then we'll kind of like go from there. Because this one's so simple, it's just like quick, basic, everyday. I'm gonna just use a little bit of concealer. You don't have to use foundation, obviously, if you don't want to. You can just kind of choose whatever steps you want to take from this. Gotta cover that bad boy up. Thanks a lot. Do a little bit of blush. This is the Glow Play Blush in So Natural. And then mascara. I'm just gonna do a little bit more shadow. I can't believe I'm putting on the eyeshadow from my own kit with MAC. This is such a dream come true, and honestly something that I never thought would happen. Not that I like don't believe in myself. I just never thought it would happen. I never even considered it. And I'm so excited and thrilled, and I really hope that you guys like it. It's something that I really thought about a lot in terms of colors. The products are basically products that anybody can use. So obviously there's no like foundation, concealer, because that's very specific to each person. It's kind of like the 6 base products that everybody needs. There's Luke 1. Okay, so like I said, we're actually gonna do 4 looks just with those 6 products. So this next one is like a very monochrome 90s look, since the 90s, early 2000s are very much in fashion right now. It's really easy. It's like a 2-step up from your basic look. So let's do it. All you're gonna do is go in with your saddle shadow and almost do like a wash of color and take it a little bit further out the eye. And we're gonna go underneath too. So my number 1 tip with eyeshadows, this is the perfect way to make it look like you know what you're doing with your eyeshadow, even if you don't, is to have 2 brushes. So like the MAC 217 is an amazing brush. Like I think I have 4 of them. They just work well for pretty much anything. Like if you were gonna get maybe like 4 basic eyeshadow brushes, this would definitely be number 1. But get a clean brush, and all you do is just go around the edges and like blend it out. Totally makes it look like you know what you're doing, even if you don't. So you could stop there. I'm gonna go in with my Costa Riche liner. I'm actually gonna use it almost like a shadow as well. And you can be kind of messy with this because I am gonna smudge it with a pencil brush as well. So I'm actually gonna go like that, just for a little bit of definition. Take a pencil brush. This is the 219S. And just blend it. This pencil blends really nicely, so it makes it super versatile. Hopefully you can see the difference. There's just a little bit more depth. And then again, just take your clean brush and blend. Like I said, you don't have to be neat with it. Look how bad it looks. First of all, like I'm not a makeup artist, but it's more that I just have like little simple tricks that I know work well, and I stick to those things. You know, like using a clean eyeshadow brush. Anybody can do that, and it really makes you look like you know what you're doing with your eyeshadow. And then we're gonna go in with the most amazing pencil strip down. This is like a really nice 90s kind of brownie nude. When I was trying to choose between 2 lip pencil colors, the girls in the MAC office were saying that this one worked on a lot more different skin tones. So I ended up going with this one. It's not like too light of a nude that it doesn't work with darker skin tones. And then just fill it in. We're gonna do a nice matte look. The pencil's really creamy, so it's easy to use, almost like a lipstick. This one might be one of my favorites. I mean, I feel like they're all my favorite, but I just really like the 90s vibe. It's really easy too. I mean, you could just use 1 eyeshadow color and 1 lip pencil, and that's all you need. I still can't believe I'm doing this. I'm doing a tutorial with MAC for my product box. Oh my God. Just when I was in high school, I almost wish I could just be like, you have no idea what's in store for you or what you're gonna work towards. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video here just because there's a lot of talking at the beginning, but I do have 2 more looks with this box. That's me. So stay tuned for the next video for that. I'm gonna put those together, and I wanna say thank you to you guys for being so supportive and wonderful, and for really trusting me and my opinion and my recommendations. That is so important to me, and I feel like our relationship and that trust is like why I do what I do. Like I said before, the box is $69. You get $140 worth of products, so it's basically half price. And it's available at the Bay, online or in store. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here with me. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. I want to say thank you so much to the MAC team. They were so incredibly wonderful with really respecting all of my opinions and my choices, and they totally let me choose these colors and like be really involved with the photo shoot and give feedback, and that really means a lot to me. Oh, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys soon.
Hey everybody, just wanted to show you just went to the eye doctor look.
Oh my God, don't.
So you can see how yellow it is. That's on, it's a new makeup look called Got My Eyes Checked.
Honey, that's gross. Are you excited?
Science rules.
Are you excited for me?
What is it?
It's my
Oh yeah, so cool. Are you kidding? Oh my God. The worst.